Okay, so today we are going to talk about sometimes on our revised passages, they ask me to insert a topic sentence. Maybe it's a topic sentence in the beginning of the story. Maybe it's a topic sentence just for that particular paragraph. And so we need to talk about what does a topic sentence need to include. And so there's different types of topic sentences. And so sometimes that is hard because we want to instantly just pick one that has a word that matches what I read. And so we have to be careful to think about, okay, what was this paragraph about? And what kind of sentence do I need to put in the beginning to let the reader know what they're talking about? So here's some different types of topic sentences that you might need to insert or you might see. A list statement tells the reader exactly what the paragraph will be about by listing the 3-star ideas. So like if it's a topic sentence in the beginning of the story, it might say, when it's summertime, I like to go swimming, ride my bike, and play with my friends. Well, I know the whole story is going to be about summertime, going swimming, riding their bike, and playing with their friends. And so sometimes they list things. That's not always the best one, but sometimes they do that. We have power number statements. Do not tell the readers each of the star ideas, but use number words to present the general topic. There are several things you can do to become a better writer. In order to climb Mount Whitney, you need to know 3 safety rules. So they didn't list those things like we like to do, but we still know what the topic is. So they're still telling us what the story's going to be about. Sometimes you can do 2 nouns and 2 commas. Always start with a noun, a person, a place, or a thing, describes it, and then makes a statement about it. So, for example, Ronald, I don't even know that guy, Amundsen, an explorer, was the first to find the Northwest Passage. So we know we're reading a story about Ronald and that he was an explorer. So we separate those 2 ideas by a comma. Occasion, position, topic sentence starts with an occasion and use words like when, whenever, although, even though. And they end with the writer's position on the topic, so how they feel about something. Whenever we celebrate the holidays, we always include some special traditions. So we know that the topic is going to be about holidays and special traditions. And then sometimes they use topic sentences that get your attention based on whatever that topic might be. Okay. Plants need soil, water, and sun. So we could just make a list and that's what it's going to be about. And so that is usually the most common one. And so today I just have some revised stories for you, and it's going to ask you to just insert some topic sentences and practice that revised skill of inserting a topic sentence. But you have to understand what the rest of the paragraph is about first. So you will need to read that paragraph and then insert that topic sentence today.